Welcome to RP Hub. In this video, we'll discuss about how we can create chatbot which is helping us to provide employee related informations using Microsoft Copilot. Let's consider we have full of resources where we have stored the data either in database or into the Excel file. If you can see here, we have records of employee name, location, salary, and age. I want some complex queries related informations like how many resources we have, which is more than 55 years of age. How many resources we have who is earning or who is getting salary more than 30,000. These type of queries definitely need to be requested with the help of SQL, that is structured query language. But HR team is not that much technical where they can fire these type of query. For them, definitely we need some interface which will provide these informations in plain English language. Copilot will help us to build this type of solutions where they can get these type of informations very quickly without writing any code, without firing any SQL commands. We'll see here. Practically how we can do that. Before that, I wanted to show you the result, and post that we'll start building it from scratch. If you wanted to learn more about Power Automate and Copilot, feel free to refer my complete playlist. And for my motivations, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Your feedbacks are always motivates me to create more such contents. Let's start with the solution. Here, I've already created one Copilot solutions where this is showing some sort of information. Let's consider with the same data, I wanted to get informations about resources who are 55 years of old. Here, give me employee name who are 55 years old. Once I will hit this prompt, it will extract the informations about the employee. So Kim is the employee who is 55-year old. Same data is also available here. You can see this. Age of Kim is 45. Let me get salary related informations. Provide me employee name whose salary is minimum. Now this will give me employee name whose salary is very less. It means Calvin is having just 15,000. So this is how we can push commands or we can fire the statement, and based on that we'll get a result. Let's see how we can build it from scratch. First, you have to log in into copilotstudio.microsoft.com. From here, click on create. Whenever you will click on create, you will get options new Copilot, new Microsoft Copilot actions, and some templates are listed here. If you want to build your own Copilot from scratch, select new Copilot, else use these templates. So these are well configured templates. If you want, you can modify it and use it for your requirement. Now, for us, we are going ahead with new Copilot. Here, I want to generate employee informations. Here, I will provide the name as generate employee informations. Descriptions, if you want, you can provide it here. Change icon, you can add the icon image, whichever you will prefer, you can just attach it. I want to add this image. Probably the size is bigger. That's the reason it's not uploading. Let's keep as it is. Else we can change the icon. Now here I'm just adding this build your own Copilot. Size I'm expecting to have 30 KB. This is having 53 KB. That's fine. Let's move it further. Instructions are how this Copilot will work or how the logic will work. Here we have to provide everything. I want informations, requested informations to be generated on any permutation and combination based on either salary, age, employee name, and location. Whenever user will request minimum, maximum, and average salary as well as age should be displayed. So based on this data, the LLM model will generate the background code, and those codes will be used at the time of firing the commands or firing the prompt message. So prompt message should be always in plain English language, because here we are using language as English. If you are using any other language, you can always provide prompt message based on the selected language. Knowledge database I want to use as files. As of now, it's not showing. Let me create it, and post that we'll see that. It will take few seconds to generate my Copilot, and once I will upload the data source or knowledge base, I will get the response whenever I will request it. Here, this is generated. I want to add the knowledge base because my knowledge or data source is available into the Excel sheet. Most important and crucial part is whatever informations we are uploading, that information should be either in .txt file or .csv file, because Copilot is just accepting the value in text file. I will just add it employee data.csv, which I have stored it here. This is my main data. Next is I will click on open and click add. Now here our Copilot is ready. I want to try it out. I want to test it. Here I want employee name with salary value of maximum. This will fetch out the informations and show us the results. Here, if you can see, these are the flow generated, and based on that, we are getting the record. I want some informations to be included here into the Copilot so that it will generate the prompt message or generate the response. Provide minimum, maximum, average, and sum of salary and age. Update. Whenever I will click on update, this will add another code behind it so that we can get a proper response. So that's how Copilot will work. Let's try it out. Give me employee name whose salary is maximum. This time we'll get a response where employee name will be added or employee name will be available based on the response. Now, once the application is built, let's test it. Give me employee name whose salary is maximum. I can see here the employee with the highest salary is Pascal, where I can see this record. I can see it from this Excel. Excel is showing Pascal is having 30,000 salary. Similar way, if I want give me employee name whose salary is minimum. This time I will get the minimum wage person name, that is Calvin. I want the minimum age or younger employee. Give me employee name who is much younger in my team. Based on this response, it will again generate Catherine's name, who is just 28 years old. Let's verify it if this is correct. So Catherine, who is 28 years old. Rest all employees are elder employees. So that's how we can build our own Copilot to get employee related informations quickly. And once this is done, you can regularize it inside your organizations to generate better response based on your AI data, based on your AI informations. You can get as quick and correct informations generated with the help of Copilot chatbot or Copilot bot. Now let's understand where we can use it. Whenever we are working in HR team or administration's work, this type of bot is very helpful. Admin work, it means if they are doing it for any insurance policies or for appraisal things or for any other operational work, they need employee data or they need employee informations. By using this bot, their work will be much easier or their life will be much easier. Similarly, HR team is also wanted to extract informations from different departments, either for their appraisals, either for their insurance policies, or for generating ID cards, laptops, and all. So all those informations are much quicker or easier where they can get it directly from here, because these are not technical people. Those who don't know about the technologies, probably this type of bot can help to make their life easier to extract the informations from the database. Otherwise, they are struggling within Excel files in tons of records. So that's how Copilot will help us to make their life easier. That's all about this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And if you want to learn more such technology oriented topics, feel free to add the topic names in the comment sections. I will be happy to address it based on the demand. That's all. Thank you for watching.